Hey, hey, hey. Hey, welcome back to another TekSupportSpy video. As always, we appreciate you guys tuning in and watching our videos. And if you like this video and you learned something from this video, please like this video, comment on this video below, and share this video with us. All right. Have you ever had problems with your laptop and your microphone not working? You know, you're on a Zoom call and no one can hear you in your Zoom call, or you're in a virtual training and your instructor is talking and you want to ask your instructor a question and your instructor hears this. Yeah, that's telling you there's a problem with your laptop microphone. And now you can start troubleshooting it to see why it's not working properly. Well, we have a quick option for you to use to troubleshoot your laptop microphone and see if it's a hardware issue. And we have a link that we're going to show you that's going to help you determine if it's a hardware issue or if it's another issue that you need to troubleshoot. We won't dive into the other options to troubleshoot your microphone, but we want to show you the number one link or the number one way to start troubleshooting your microphone with this link. All right, are you ready to learn about this link? Let's dive into the video, shall we? All right, guys, let's talk about this. So this website is called mictests.com. It'll be in the description. Take a look at it. But anytime you have an issue and you want to test your microphone, whether it's your laptop, mainly this is used for laptop, or this is mainly what I use for laptop to troubleshoot a microphone on a laptop or a desktop. If you go to this website here, mictests.com, it's a site that you can basically test and troubleshoot multiple things when it comes around your microphone or your webcam. Uh, Download drivers, I've never used the download drivers portion of this. So I'm not going to really get into the drivers, but mic tests is basically used to test your microphone or your webcam. A lot of times the webcam has a built-in microphone. So a lot of times this is a good tool to use for your laptop. Now, you can use it for your desktop if you have a microphone or that's connected via USB, or if you have a like a Logitech desktop webcam that you have sitting on top of your monitor, you can use it to troubleshoot it. But mainly, I would suggest to use this for your laptop. If you look at this website, you know you might get some type of error message saying, "Hey, it looks like your browser is blocking access to microphone identifiers." Right, and it says because of this, it's possible to detect and manage all available microphones. Click here to allow access to your microphone identifier. So basically what it's saying is that your web browser, I'm using Chrome, I'm actually using Firefox, and I'm probably blocking the pop-up or blocking the access to the microphone. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give access to our microphones here. So I am using a USB microphone, as well I have an integrated microphone. Both of these microphones are enabled. So you see here, it says several microphones were detected. To check the functionality and supported properties of your microphone, select it from the list below and press test my mic. Please note that in order to obtain more accurate results, it is recommended to keep enabled only one microphone. So we got two microphones enabled. The microphone array or Realtek, that is basically identifying the integrated microphone that I have integrated with this laptop. It's a Lenovo laptop, and of course, I got the Sound Blaster Play USB microphone that I have attached to this. So, and just to kind of add here, I didn't really dive deep into this, but this side here of the website, this is a line for you to do a review. Basically, check out how good your microphone is, leave a review about your microphone, and find out the place in the rating of the best microphone. So you can do a review on a microphone, whether it's an integrated microphone, wireless, USB, TRS, which stands for tip ring sleeve. You got XLR, which stands for external line return. You got the option for others. And the TRS, and there's also TRRS. Like TRS looks like this here. I wanted to Google this, so if I got into this, I would explain it. But you'll see here, these are basically professional audio cables. So if you are some type of sound engineer, you have some type of studio booth for singers or artists or musicians, they may use these types of cables for their audio devices. But when you look at these, right? When you look at the TRS, the tip ring sleeve, you got the tip here, the ring, and a sleeve. And then you also got the XLR. This is the XLR connection, the external line return cable for audio. Then you also have the TRRS. I think this is a good illustration of how the TRRS works. You got that tip, you got a ring, and then the bottom part is always the sleeve. So again, these are cables that are mainly used for like sound engineers, true professional musicians or audio engineers that know what type of cabling and devices that they need to produce good audio or the good sound. Um, but yeah, I wanted to just share that on this side here, you're basically using this to rate, what microphone that you tested using this mic test website, and kind of just give a review down here of what you have um, found out about certain microphones that you are using, that you have tested off the site. What are the advantages of the microphone and what are the disadvantages of the microphone that you're using? So you can use this portion of this website on the right to rate your microphone. Okay, so let's test this. We're not going to test our USB microphone because we know that works, right? But let's test our integrated microphone in this laptop. We're going to go ahead and select that one in this drop down and make sure if you're going to use this website that you make sure you select what microphone you're going to use. And most of the time, if you not using any type of external microphone like I am, you'll see one selection in this field here to choose from. And once you see that your microphone for that laptop is selected, go ahead and hit test my mic. You might get some prompts within your browser. I'm using Firefox. It might be you get some type of prompt in Chrome or Edge asking you if you want to give mictest.com access to your microphone. Go ahead and hit allow. It's going to say starting the microphone. So now it's saying testing your microphone and recording your voice. Please say hello, make some noise. Tippy hop, tippy tippy tippy, tippy top, tippy tippy tippy. I'm just making up stuff. The tester records the sound captured by your mic, and you will be able to play back. You will be able to play back it after testing is complete. So you see it's kind of going through its progression here to 84, 85, 87, 88%, and it has stopped. Let's see if we can play back what we've said here. So testing was completed successfully, and it seems your microphone works properly. All details about your mic are displayed in the microphone information table, which is over here to the left. Please do not forget to leave a review about your microphone. So if you're going to use this, definitely help mictest.com out and place a review to the right. But to the left is going to give you, a quality rating. I do not have any answers for how they determine what the quality rating is. Probably have to look it up. But it tells you what microphone was used. Obviously, it's the microphone array, which is part of the Realtek audio card, the integrated microphone. Automatic gain control, yes. The number of audio channels. It has 2 audio channels or 2 speakers that have echo cancellation. Any estimated latency, you couldn't determine that. Any noise suppression, yes. So it kind of gives you some information about the microphone that it tested off this website. Let's see if we can play something back here. Let's say starting the microphone. So now it's saying testing your microphone and it's funny kind of hearing your own voice kind of play back to yourself, but it's basically telling me that my microphone works. So if you ever use mictest.com to test your microphone on your laptop, again, you can use it on a desktop as well. I would mainly use this on your laptop. If it comes back as a successful test, then you don't have any hardware issues. It's basically that you know that your computer can recognize your microphone. So it's not a hardware issue. And if it can recognize it, that means there's no driver issue. No drivers missing. The computer is able to use your microphone. So if you are on Zoom or you are in some type of online training program or website and no one can hear you, or your audio sounds all crazy when you speak in the microphone, then you want to check the configurations on that software that you're using. So if you're using Zoom, check the configuration for your audio in your Zoom software. If you're online, using some type of university on-site virtual training program, and your audio there is not right, then check the configuration on that program to make sure that your audio is selected or the right microphone is selected, and make sure there's no configuration changes that's needed for your microphone and that software that you're using for your university or for whatever training program that you are going online with, and you need a microphone. Make sure you check your audio settings in that program. Again, this is a first option that you can choose to use to test your microphone. If you're having problems with it, will it fix it? No, but it would just do somewhat of it would pretty much do a diagnostic test to make sure that your computer can recognize and use your microphone. And if it can, then you don't have a hardware issue. It's maybe a configuration issue. If it comes back with some type of negative results, then you might have some type of hardware issue, or you have some type of driver issue that's causing for your microphone not to work. And at that point, you got to troubleshoot your drivers. If you want to see more troubleshooting videos about troubleshooting your audio and your microphone and driver troubleshooting videos, please comment below. Give us information. Let us know that you would like to see more of this information, and give us feedback. Let us know that you want to see more of these videos. Thank you for watching Tech Support Spy.